Stop. Before you sign up for MagicLight AI, you need to watch this. If you're looking for a MagicLight AI coupon code, I have something even better. I've secured a special discount link that applies the promo code automatically, saving you the maximum amount possible on any plan you choose. Instead of hunting for codes that don't work, simply click the official discount link in the description or the first pinned comment. This link is direct to offer, meaning the 2025 discount is already embedded. Whether you're choosing the Standard, Plus, or Pro plan, the price reduction will show up instantly at the final checkout page without you typing a single word. MagicLight AI is revolutionizing how we create content. It allows you to transform simple text into high-quality, 30-minute-long animated videos with consistent characters and professional lighting. With the discount applied through our link, you're getting premium features like 1080p HD exports and 0 watermarks at the lowest price on the market. It's the perfect tool for YouTubers, storytellers, and marketers. Here is exactly what to do. Step 1. Click the link below. Step 2. Pick your favorite plan. Step 3. Look at the total price. You'll see the discount is already there. Remember, this is a limited time offer tied to this specific referral link, so make sure to grab it while it's active.